Trela thonong zamna miyambu Mami Mapao da taram nokchari. Impact TV gi Mami Mapao so asi medyang tabiri bapum namakpu ahan bamaktada nolukchari. Today we bring you the latest news and events from the world of entertainment. First of all, thank you so much to all the fans and followers of Mami Mapao. Mami Mapao gi tarit laksub episode ta miyam gi comments, suggestions and appreciations gidamak thagachari. So asi hena phazaba, hena mapung phaba ma oina bagidamak adom gi support yamachani. So folks, please keep supporting Mami Mapao. Dear subscribers, ngasi gi tarit laksub episode asida ihan boina, an annual music fest like none other is on the spotlight. Manipur Film Forum gi new office barrier khan kibagi matangda paudamama. Aibu hingkora, aibu sikora. Upcoming feature film gi yaifa thoni thoram gi paudamama. And we have an audition of child artists under multiple films. 15th Foundation Day of Peacemaker Artists Association gi matangda mapawama. Nang Nagkapapakchede has been selected for KIFF in Congo Republic. Film fraternity spotted in a social drive at Bisanpur with Manipur Student Federation. Finally, Iowa, India hits the ramp with vibrance and glimmer, so let's have a look. Yes guys, Where Have All the Flowers Gone has hit Manipur on its 4th edition with vibrant music and crowds supporting changes with a positive perspective.
Hi, this is Tenzing at the event of Where Have All the Flowers Gone. As you can already see in my background, the bands have started performing. Atopa band kaya mazu perform togodari like Imphal Tokis, Mangka, Tapta, and a special number from Mumbai's Indus Crete lead singer Uday Benegal. Hi, mapam asida footstone mayam mazu hangalari, and then the crowd is getting heat up. Now let's go and see what's going on.
Haukiba August ki tang mga amadi tarukta Kurukul Welfare Association apunba Kurukul nupi chawkhatlup amadi Foxy Triumph ahumna punna khutsamna duna Where Has All the Flowers Gone haina mingthonba music amadi art ki oiba chahi gi oina pangthokpa kumhai gi marisuba edition pangthokre.
Where Have All the Flowers Gone hairiba thimse sigi matangda hana mayam dam ta habiu.
Masigi Where Have All the Flowers Gone se khoi American folk singer Pete Singer haitare akoi activist oiramba akoi environmental activist haitare magi isai amane magi isai je karma matam gi isai na habda akoi America ga Vietnam da kan akoi lan Vietnam war matam gi matam da man I gi isai ne mana haining gi di flowers se kai sunate mana sidhai akoi naha jing gi pursi ji ne ba naha jing jin nam da akoi lan mi helaga Vietnam da tharaga moi gi punsi mangba moi gi hana khalamba thought process na loi brain wash to giba adu mai process tu ne ada khoi na Manipur da masigi thoi ba khoi gi youth culture wagera ada environmental issue wagera yamna mari laina na khoi na logjai khoi na festival je pit sigar na si gi je khoi January 2014 da si gi bne adu shahi du dagi khoi je festival je hogjabani.
Kurukul Makalekai Maning Sabalampak to Pangthokiba, Dongan Bi Isai Nomai Mathel Sing na Lechel Oikiba Kumhayadu, Palace Compound Imphal Dagi, Kurukul Tamna Chetkiba, Cycle Rally Manahudoki. Tang na Pangthokpa Makhagi Kumhayaduda, Guru Ruben Masangba, Mangka, Anungla, Kajun Diaries, Iyum Amadi Taptana Chingba, Iram Damasagi Sai Saklot Kyasu Yauna, Mapalam Dagi, Nasif Ahmed Amadi, Uday Benegal na Chingba Singna, Delliba Miyangi Pukning Sumhadningai, Uraba Saihek, Sairol Kyasu Lantok.
Mang thăm na khut na khát la kawi Qua tha re ro hip le ro lao Kap tu na le re ga ta ben zai Kau menamnade tigi maha.
I'm younger than that now. But I was so much older. Hate you if it clever and it is spice of food.
Okay guys, we're with one of the greatest lead singer of India, the founder of Indiscreet, Mr. Uday Benegal.
Well, I think it's very appropriate because it's about environmentalism, it's about understanding human beings' relationship with nature.
How did you come to Manipur and know about this event?
Well, because I was invited by Akhu Chingamam, the organizer of the festival. I didn't know about the festival, but he called me and told me about it and invited me to be a part of it. I said, I get a chance to come to Manipur and to play at a festival out here in nature. Absolutely yes. It's so beautiful, it's hard to describe. So where we are right now, in near Khurkhul village, where these beautiful green plains with these hills all around us, and it is incredibly beautiful. I'm overwhelmed by how beautiful it is.
As you have come to Manipur, we have to of course, ask you about the food of the Manipur because how do you like the food till now?
Well, so far I've eaten very little Manipuri food, but it was delicious. So I had some sausage yesterday and some pork curry, and they were both really, really good.
Shiguma location kakta selection ta hoise karigino maramje.
Mase akhoi gi keno ne aina akhoi gi team gi yam pamjaba haib tare khoi thaina gi lerama community participation je yam pame ba akhoi gi imphal da hojikti udre ba community participation je akhoi gi metropolitan city ma'am ga taw lifestyle adu gi sum oirak pa adagi khoi civilization hairega khoi gi ngasa gi car adagi pollution adu marakta sum khoi je pallaga leibido adagi imphal machajing chu adagi mapan gi atopa manipur gi wang ma leba mi sing chu moi jing gi sugumba khoi gi manipur da sugumba culture lei laiba mi sing ji da khoi sumaina taromi khoi gi manipur se sumaina sangami imphal su sumaina uwa horomi haibido adagi message am ju bijabane khoi gi festival gi yam nungai bamna crowd funded ne khoi gi sarkar gi mateng yaugde adagi kanagumba karigumba haitare ne maru mapang sing na pasa hapiraga mai tor sinjaba festival ne
oi matung ta bade sidagi hena successful oiba program sinbirakani ne thaje aduga where have of the flower gone se yam successful oiba event am oibio and I wish bizari Mami Mapao gi tin. Thank you so much.
Asina suloiba natri Tarun Bharti amadi Gurmit Sapal gi film singi mathakta iramda masigi lemjeningai oiraba Phumsang haina mingthonba Hawam Pawan Kumar gi Best Investigative National Film Award fangkraba documentary film su miyamda khudol tamki loina na pungning chingsiningai oiraba mongda uchara thaba amadi photography art exhibition ga loina na angang singi layek pat changdam nabasu thauram gi manung chana pangthokhi.
So that was just a little glimpse of the night. I hope you like it, and so this is Tenzing signing off. Take care and goodbye.
I missed that event. I'm not chatting given, but maybe next year. Mathang lairiba Mapao asi Manipur Film Forum gi anaw office barrier oina kana oiriba gi haibadu amuktang khangminasi.
Haukiba July gi tang kuntra ningthauka numita Manipur gi film fraternity sing apun platform am oiriba film forum Manipur gi kumjal sing ani taratari tara mapan gi chahi ani gi ona thau puga da sing khan khrei forum asigi puwari da ani raksubo ina bot thadan aduna thaumi khanba gi thorama da bunami mapan tongan ma guild association amadi kanglup tarani to gi manga punami humpuna bot thadanaga da bada mioi ani laktabana maram oiraga mihut yankai nipana bot thadanaki Forum asigi legal advisor su oirba ngangom Tej Kumarna pangthokriba mikhala du returning officer oiki
Me 80% di huji bot thadare adu almost 100% thadani haibagi thajabale adu goren counting na pungam makhai da hoi haujagani adu ga he counting loibaga hoi mikhal gi phol se lauthok jagani film phron je yam aham ba horok padai di thodokna contest tonabagi mikhal thengnabagi wa lerim de adu bu machige Manipuri film gi ihou si ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯟꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄꯒ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯅꯔꯛꯄꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯈꯜ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯇꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯍꯧꯔꯦ
All Manipur Filmmakers and Producers Association gi mihut amo oina mikhal thengna kiba samje chaba Mangol Jawbu forum gi chairman oina khanki amiki mihut khwarakpam Vishwamitra bu ahanba vice chairman loina na All Manipur Filmmakers and Producers Association gi RK Homen buna uncontested ani shuba vice president oina khanki All Manipur Cinematographers Association gi mihut ngangpam Ganasyamna general secretary All Manipur Film Producers Association gi mihut Waikom Gojena finance secretary loinana Cine Writers Guild ki mihut Rakesh Nauremna secretary information and communication gi dama khanki Cine Directors Guild ki mihut Laisam Premanda madi O Gautam loinana Cine Choreographers Guild ki mihut Thongnauj Mahespu Mathangsina Joint Secretary 1, 2 amadi 3 gi fam sing gi damak tasu khanki makha tarak pada hokiba July gi tang awum na hariba mikhala sida mai pakra mihut singda mamang gi thau purma singna pham sinaki
Credit City tasena di aigi film gi library guild association mayam sina aigi mamangi 2 years ki aigi executive oina leijaba amadi hana ina film de forum jangdring di tawjarapa aigi performance aigi contribution mayam du makoina ubibadagi aingoda masigi thajabasi chairman gi damakta thajabasi pibirakpanina aigi credit si aigi film fraternity leiba guild sing association mayam da ai pijani
Congratulations to all the office bearers of Manipur Film Forum, and Manipur is hoping for new advancements. Yaifathoni Thorum of an upcoming movie, Aibu Hinkora, Aibu Sikora.
Mamang the Manipuri music video album oina mai pangna puthokraba Herozit Nauroibamgi Aibu Hinkora Aibu Sikrora hariba wariya se abu nawhonana te salam na lamjing lamtaktuna Radha Krishna Film Production ki banner makata puthokpa ahum suba film oina lebak miyam da kudol tamgadori
sigi film si hana music video ama oina hana puthokra matungda mai pakpadagi producer sina film oina tawsi haibirakpugi matungina film oina moina ko thajabani siragadaba nupi ama khagna hinglingai matamsida masana sirani di khangjaraba aduga hinglingai matamsida aina hingingai period tengthra matamsida aigi wakhalda phawrakpado ai hingningaktaba phawrakpa ama khak aduda aina aibu hingkora aibu si kora haina mahaki makurobada hangba dugumba wari ama khak
palam gidi film se asuki matik yamna advance oi gare makhoi gidi makhoi ge sungba advance oi riba talent leiraba mi sing sina toriba poching si ekhoi ge Manipur gi mi sing sigi su tongan be special oiba pot khar lai haibse aina hana dagi anga oi gi dum khangjare adu film se aina pamjabagi matung ina mapalam gi Bollywood ki toriba punamaksa makhoi gi sing si gi stage se yoba pawadang de hak mateng pang bangam re yenge khalakanda aina film sida khongthang
music video that did toy ne amna apagi act like the have just apagi expression ka reaction shot kumba khara phamba khara chat pakol lip sync khara tawra dum dore duga film se ding sai ki dialogue delivery have am jor kuni ka adun sai ki dialogue delivery to basi su yamna araiba tharuk dinate sai ki khoi ki character amana magi phori ba manung gi ka hai tare ijal adu uthona phana badang sai ki dialogue delivery ga expression la chana raktre dim shore kani duna film ga album ga yam tin khene hai tare
Krishna Kumar Guru Mayum na puthokadrba film ase namba hauna namagi damak hauna bi matung ina hokiba July gi tang kuntra Nongmaijing numita Nirmala Hotel the Health Minister L Jente Kumar Film Forum Manipur ki chairman Laimyum Surjakanta Sharma na chingba saknai raba kaya ga loina na yai phathoni thorum pangthokre heroic naroibong ki wari screenplay amari sairol da pankat ka dorba nungsi nungol da yumpham oiba film asida Gokul Sagar Daya amari Nikina maru oiba mamiroi sing oiba ki mathakta idhau Zoe Vidya Dhan Manjuri Madhubala na chingba mamiroi kya su film asida saktam lang ga dori
album si picturization namming marak dum koi feel tawre isai matek se katang da feel tawge ba picture win tara koina urakpa matam dadi isai si akoina isana yawbani na misi mingon hairo kai haidono khangi ba ko phawgi ba isai success oge top 1 book ta ge ba
Hojiki hariba herojit nauribongi film ase aingonda PB riba character se afabra phatabra habit ai kainta khangjadri adubu afaba PB re ai phanadum sajagani phatana pi ai phatab action do ai yawnaba sajagi
The music video was so beautiful and melodic, and we are hoping for more from the production. We have an audition of child artists for the upcoming movies Tanglei, The Colors of Noah and Laishu. So let's have a look.
Midpam Production ki banner makada puthok do ba Tanglei The Colors of Noah amadi Laishu hai na minthon film sing asigi child artist sing ki audition nama haukiba July ki tang 13 da lamyan ba sanglen konung mamang da pangthok rei Film Forum Manipur ki chairman Laimum Surjakanta Sharma amadi vice chairman Oken Amaksham loina na choreographer Satrajit Thiam amadi saknai da mamiroi laisang them tontoi ngambina film ama puthok na ba hotna bada Yamna mathok tariba audition asida jury members sing oina saruk yaki
Hauri bangang mayam ama lagi child artist ta adu magi kudong saba magi gateway do hangbidana masigi organization sindana tawriba si apaba angang film gi damukta dance to ero dialogue acting do ero sumak sangdam na dana ka tawra ibase future Manipur cinema ki damukta di yamna chawba isepmen amane nai thamjani
apa mana kanano pam da bak kanano akoina pamje da mi su nam ne sing tok de yon ba pam ka mo le the tok den thambi ba adu su seti lai ba sala pam je da kanano khoi inga ne ore stage da
hoji child artist sai basi ke su khangjaba na te du mokhoi da audition tawrakanda karigumba khara tambi bagi haubagi amakak changsalakbaji ai yam thaga chaningi makha ta film khaida su sumaina audition gumba tawraga ai lobasi tawhan chaningi haidar
Manipur University da hoji Bachelor of Music Bachelor of Dance class 12 lower kanda adum changba dum yare Central University hek on thokibdagi akoi Manipur da su performing arts comparing with other subject akoi performing arts subject amoina hapire sigumba audition sina akoi haugalaiba tungi naharon singda akoi achauba kanaba amo pi ganina khalle adu kitang toina su tohninge Hariba audition asida mamiro ema oiningba apamba leiraba punna angang chamamuk lakhi amade madudagi ahanba round artist nipu loina nani suba round na artist kun khangat ki final round dagi angang tara khangat to na midpam na puthoko do film singa sita saktam langhan ga dori
ai acting dance ka utbane ai folk dance tawban platform da event film gi tawjagada akhoi jagoi sabi me am group amalai atuda sum moju mari khangnabadagi akhoi dong khangak pai tare aina aidi inspector wenbagi kaikugi role am tangalde sigi competition je ausena akoi banhare sahi manga mapung phara taru changai ba jagoi sabe balagi yaskun ba khangau bage yare nang yaskun ba nang kai baka akoi baba ne yawa ba
ai jagoi taw modern jagoi ai berai bongi mukabala na lower role gi acting to lupa phu pukoli sai do lupa hang do pa
ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ? ꯀꯝꯖꯥꯅ ꯇꯝꯖꯕꯅꯤ. ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ? 이마기 이마 속도는 하유나 아이가 있다 아이가 미기가 옆에 내려가 아이고 시시나 니나 나는 힘으로 이마에 이마가 벌어
이 가는 얘는 tumba 야브라
야
바로나 tumba 야브라
야
그리기로
아이들이 아이나 하울라고 만난다 아이나 스쿨 잘한다 만나 좀 먹어야지 네
Midfam production gi mai kai dagi mami gi taibong ga tunggi yubiral oirakador ba angang sing asibu artist ama oibigi soifadar ba machal sing ningthin happy duna makhong somning bagi wakalol su fongdoraki
baba ai to musician pa
kalle hairo hare hairo kalle hairo
ai to musician kalle
ada ai kalle hairo kun sumai yaw kai na ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯡꯊꯣꯛꯇ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯋꯤꯗꯥꯎꯠ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯅ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯄꯤꯔ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯋꯥꯏ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯌꯨꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯧꯔꯗꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯕꯤꯍꯦꯕꯤꯌꯔ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯇ ꯆꯪꯂꯤꯕ ꯒꯨꯟ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯛ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯂꯤꯐꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯔ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯦꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯇꯤꯁꯟ ꯊꯥꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯁꯥꯏꯗ ꯊꯥꯔꯒ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯌꯔꯁꯦ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯍꯟꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯤꯐꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ
Wow! More than 100 kids showed up for the audition. Isn't that amazing? Passion for acting is growing and it's just amazing. Anyways, let's take a short break.
Pradhanmantri Awas Yojana Credit Linked Subsidy Scheme, Mission Housing for All by 2022. In conjunction with the Government of India, Mission Housing for All by 2022, Panthobi Housing Finance Company Limited, the sole housing finance company brings you Our Promise, Your Home under our motto, Shelter for All, governed by PMAY CLSS. The company under PMAY CLSS provides subsidized home loan to 28 towns in Manipur. Loan amount of up to Rs 15 lakh for academically weaker section and low income group. Loan amount of up to Rs 50 lakhs for middle income group. EMI as low as Rs 1,136 per lakh. Zero processing fee. Subsidized of up to Rs 2.67 lakhs. We request the people of Manipur to kindly visit our offices at Imphal, Nambol, Bishnupur, Moirang and Kakching and get the benefit of PMAY CLSS. Panthobi Housing Finance Company Limited.
Welcome back again. Let's have a look at Peacemaker Artists' 15th Foundation Day, which was held at Ulipok.
Matam sang lebak miyam gi seba tawun laklaba sumang kumai gi lupam oidiba Peacemaker Artists Association gi taramangarak suba kumon thoram haukiba August ki tang manga da pangthokre Uripok achom lekai de leba makhon mani mongsab gi sangai da yamna ching lemna achamba thoram gi loinana kumon thoram adu pangthokhi Sangit Natak Academy Award Yumnam Rajendra Manipur University of Culture gi Assistant Professor Toijam Sila loinana sumang kumai lila bu pamjaba miyo kya ga loinana artist kayana kumon thoram adu sharuk ki mapung fahan ki
sumang la se koi pai puna thambiram bai koi gi art form ama khangni ado art form asida ekoi na ngasidi sinpham ama oina sangsin jarakpa asida tasengna malem gi mafam khuding da piklaba su pikna ekoi gi furup asige sigumba art form ama lai haibasi utna nabagi pandam da Peacemaker Artists Association haukiba 2002 gi August ki tang manga da sapong khibani aduna ngasi si tara mangarak suba adumba khongsat aduda hujik chachari ado ekoi gi pandam di malem gi mafam khuding makta अचौ अचौबा अखोई नेशनल की नत्रगा इंटरनेशनल की लेवल दा फेस्टिवल का याउदुना अखोई की सुगुम्बा फुरुब असिगी पिकलबसु पिकना फुरुब असिगी आर्ट फॉर्म अमा लई हाइबसि उथोकपा ngamba adumaki pandamda ngasi phawba wakhalon aduda lila tawjari.
Indeed, artists have played a vital role in spreading the message of love and unity, of course in Manipur. And following up, Nang Nakapapakchede, a Manipuri feature film, has been selected for international screening at the Republic of Congo.
asida family sini
PK Films के बैनर मखादा माखोन मनी मोंग साबन लमजिंग लमताक्तुना पुथोकपा फिल्म नंगना कप्पा पक्चदे हाइबा फिल्म से किंसासा इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक ऑफ कोंगो द पांगथोकदोरिबा सिदा उट्लुनबगिदमक्ता बार्डोन तौरखरे हौखिबा कुमजा इंग लिसिंगनी तरा तरुक की अगस्त के तांग अमदा मैतैलोंदा अहानबो ओइना ऑनलाइन वर्ल्ड वाइड रिलीज तौखरबा नंगना कप्पा पक्चदे हाइबा फिल्म से थौयांगबा मदि थोंगंबा अनिना बैनर असिगी मखादा celluloid 35mm da puthokpa mangasuba film ni layoi khrabi saknarbi aibi MK Binodini Devi na script amadi screenplay gi thodang lobiramba film asida namairakpam tike na music direction piri yoimai mong sabna editor gi thodang lori ningthaujam Dilip na camera number gi sin pangli Notice India gi ahanba digital intermediate film asida Tonthoi Denny Lebak Semba Sorojini masung pisak machana maroiba mamiroi sing oiri
haifam khangde
하이리시너디 뭉시도시 나하게 누비너때 마사 칸게시라
Your Honor, 아이기 와항 로이자드리
야니 마카타비요
나학 누피 시부 루홍드나 럭데 나트라
어허이
achumba asengba hajar phawbada while sangna karisu tawba ngam
35mm celluloid film sing se yeng masung pang pang kitre iram dam sida akhoi ki generation sing de su khara yeng han biradi phadaw Manipur Film Forum in association with MSF has campaigned on stronger unity amongst people by conducting social services in the area of Peacemaker.
Draconian law ni hanariba aspabu lamdamasidagi marufangna lokthokkinaba muthatkinaba miyamna changchin kiba khongjanggi sarukama oina Bishnupur kai thela masa maromdom mai thajaduna thawai pontha pikraba athoba pebam Chitaranjangi khubamda film forum Manipur gi makhada leiba tongan tongan gil kaya gi thomi singna lamtu sit sengkre
ngasi aikoi film forum gi maikai degi film fraternity gi aikoi gi leiriba member gil sister organization tarani thoi gi member mayamna ngasi asuma Bishnupur gi lamdamasida laktana leikidraba aikoi gi armed forces special power act ki mayokta sangsin ki ba adugumba akanba ihau amada koi mathwai na pontha pikraba aikoi gi isa Chitaranjan gi magi kumon lakpasida aikoi lakadurba tang tara turukta magi kumon thoram pangthokadoriba asidesida miyamna saruk yabada nuaina bagidamakta aikoi film forum gi maikai degi gil tarani thoi gi member mayamna ngasi mafam asida laktana isagi sintha film namba film kapa mayam thadok jaraga aikoi leipak ki thorum sida yaudaba yade laikhidraba athoba sigi ningsing thorum bangthokpa matamda aikoi film gi family da leiriba aikoi khudimaksu saruk yadaba yade haiba pandamda ngasi aikoina athoba sigi leifamda lu nana leinanaba sitok nan thokpa sengdokpa sida aikoi khudimak saruk yaba lakjabani
ngasi asi ekhoi ireiba ki damta laikhidraba satragi lusingba bebam Chitaranjan gi laikhidaba numit ka mari lenena pangthokliba MSF na sinbiriba social service program asida ekhoi gi Manipur da lejeriba film actors sing haibidi cine actors guild gi members sing na film forum ga loinena ekhoi gi Bishnupur da laktuna ekhoi gi ngasi gi social service function na si yawba laksabani
Manipur ki tas han boina
ꯃꯇꯣꯟꯗ ꯃꯩ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯑꯋꯥ ꯑꯅꯥ ꯇꯨꯖꯨꯡꯂꯕ ꯑꯥꯔꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯍꯠꯂꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯆꯩꯅꯥꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯀꯜꯍꯧꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛ ꯃꯇꯣꯟꯗ ꯃꯩ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯖꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇꯣ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯉꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯕ ꯐꯪꯖꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯐꯕꯅꯤ.
ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯒꯁꯀꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 9 ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯄꯣꯛꯄ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯂꯝꯇꯨ ꯁꯤꯠ ꯁꯦꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯠꯁ ꯐꯦꯗꯔꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ. ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯆꯟꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯕ ꯂꯣ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯦꯋꯦꯌꯔꯅꯦꯁ ꯄꯤꯅꯅꯕ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯄꯣꯁꯇꯔ ꯀꯦꯝꯄꯦꯟꯁꯨ ꯆꯠꯊꯈꯤ, ꯂꯤꯐꯂꯦꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯌꯦꯟꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤ.
Our film fraternity does not only act, but are also good with social supporters of the society too. Yay! Aroy boina, Mr. and Mrs. Iowa India Manipur ki event coverama miyam meeting kami.
Presenting Mr. Mrs. and Miss Iowa India 2017 Manipur. Mayamda amukhana khanganjaba ma, this is the first time Manipur is hosting a beauty pageant for married men and women. The event has already started, so let me take you a little bit glimpse on and off stage of the event.
Manipur iyan hanbo oina Raz and BK amadi Amar Cine Production Mumbai anina kusamnaduna Mr. Miss amadi Mrs. Iowa Manipur India Contest haukiba August ki tang 9 da pangthokre. Manipur ki oina Bhumi Chan Khabana director oiduna pangthokliba contest asi imung manunggi amadi nupi gi mayakta chathaba miot minai loina na nupi da sakti shinaba haiba asina nungi wakalol oiriba changdamnaba sida yum palaba nupa kanglup ki lemjaningai oiriba Mr. Iowa Manipur Homen Mangsa tabamna taki amadi Mrs. ki title na Adafro Sylviana Lauki, Tony Nauria Mangangcha amadi Archana Konsam anina yum pandrib kanglup ki Mr. Iowa Manipur amadi Miss Iowa Manipur mathang sitna taki.
So, what do you think if you win this contest? What's your next plan?
If I win this contest, then I will have to prepare hard for the next contest, which will be held in Mumbai.
Women empowerment ki damakta aina angamba thakta ma kan tawjagani mateng pangjagani loina na hariba khoi ki domestic violence ta maru oina theme ase laibani na aduda kari karam awareness piba yabado ai pijagani.
I'm very proud to be here on the Iowa because it is a platform where the beginners start to make a good goal.
Iowa beauty pageant asina akhoi ngasi haiba numesidagi khoi nupida chathariba crime yam singse hanthabo oirasno haina hajaninge.
This is the first time I'm standing here in this Iowa beauty contest. I got a lot of experience and awesome.
Nervous or kamai tayo?
Adum nungai khang.
Takadaba man bra?
Adudi khangde. My next plan will be I will try for the Femina Miss India if I can.
Of course you can. You have to have confidence in yourself. So, are you satisfied with your performance tonight? How was it?
I am really satisfied with my performance.
Have you had any past experience of beauty contests?
No, I don't have any experience about it. It's my first time.
So how you're feeling tonight? Are you feeling nervous?
Yeah, feeling so nervous like this.
Impact TV na media partner odi bachang dam na ba sida mai pak na ba singa se Mumbai da November tar mari da pangthok kodrba Mr. amadi Miss Iowa loinana December ani da pangthok kodrba Mr. and Mrs. Iowa India da saruk yagani loinana madudagi khangat laba sing aduna malem gi thak ta amuk changdam na ga dori.
That was Iowa India 2017 Manipur with cameraman Somorjit. This is Tenzing and you're watching Mami Mapao.
Wow! Proud sing yamna phazagi. Amasung yes, model sing this. Dear viewers, that's all we have in this episode of Mami Mapao. Hope you liked it. Matangi episode ta tongan ba ano ba entertainment gi Mapao kaya mo puduna laksege. But dear fans and followers, do send us your feedbacks at www.facebook.com/mamimapao. Thank you for watching Mami Mapao. Goodbye.